Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to talk about how you can download Bigo app for your phone. It's really simple. Just go to your preferred web browser. Let it be Safari, Operas, and Chromes, and everything. Just your choice, right? Go on and go to the Bigo uh, link by searching Bigo on the address bar or the search bar. Then you're just going to click on the first link you see. After that, you're going to click on app right there or tap on app. So if you have a phone that can scan, just scan this and the Bigo app would be downloaded for you, or you can just tap on Google Play if you have an Android phone. Yeah, and Android APK, you can just download the .apk files. You can download the iOS version of the Bigo Live from the App Store, and the Microsoft Store for, well, other stuff. So that's how you can download the Bigo app for your phone. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.